you haven't seen part 1 already, this is what we're working with. This is my beloved E46 that had a Ford 351 Windsor. It made about 220 horsepower, 300 torque. That's just not enough. We're going for more. We're going big or going home. What I'm doing is I just got the engine harness pulled out of the engine bay, so if we make our way inside, engine harness right here, still gotta pull it the rest of the way out, but ECU's on the floor. I still have a bunch of wiring to tear out. I wanted to try and reuse a lot of the chassis wiring, but I kind of just figured it'd be easier to rewire everything, unfortunately, but it's just an opportunity to make it better, which is what we're gonna do. So far, I got the dash out. I got my little, this is for my radar detector, but that's out. Blinker stuff, just slowly chopping away at it, gauges, but there's still so much left. I want to hopefully have it all out in this episode, but we will see. I'm personally not excited about this. Wiring is, along many people, our least favorite part of cars, but it's part of the process. Adapt and overcome. Oh, there's one. And there's two. Nice. After a lot of frustration, it's out. Look at all that wiring. That's insane. These wires ran head to toe from the car. We got the combobulator here. At this point, honestly, kind of just going ham with the side cutters here. Cutting all these zip ties and freeing stuff up. Got my pile up here. Look at that. Alrighty guys, it's a new day. Still at it. Same old, same old. Just ripping its veins out. Made some progress. The gauges and the gauge wiring's out. The switch panel's gone. All the wires that went to the switch panel have been cut, which I only cut them because they're no longer needed. It's coming along. It's kind of sad, honestly. Not even 6 months ago, we rewired this whole car. Now we're ripping it all back out, but it's okay. Big things coming. The relay box is completely isolated now. Nothing's hooked up, which is good. I still gotta undo the power steering breaker, but other than that, it's coming along. ECU is out, the harness is out. It's coming along. Probably, I don't know, 60% there, I'd guess. Pretty much the only thing that we're gonna keep in here is the brake lights. What I mean keep is by as far as the wiring that's already here. Yeah, the only wiring we're keeping is the brake light wiring, but other than that, everything's being replaced. Looking a lot cleaner. ECU and harness is out. I would throw it on the floor, but I'm gonna try and sell it. Ampfi MSPnP2 in this car. No longer. Alrighty guys, check it out. We are pretty much there. Pretty dang gutted now. She's getting there. Engine bay's quite gutted. Not really any wires except the alternator and starter, but in the next episode we'll be taking the fuel lines off, removing the power steering the rest of the way, and probably putting on the new fuel lines. We're gonna try and do hardline for this car, which is gonna be sick. You care to explain to the viewers what this car is and what's going on?
Bro, it came from, I know you've seen Trailer Park Boys. There's that one guy, Bubbles.
This is Bubbles' shopping cart.
It's been...
It's a gold mine down there.
We think we got it down. Thank you, Gustavo, for putting the engine together, because I don't know.
6-liter LS, LQ4. That'll probably conclude this video though, guys. Got some good progress done. She's gutted, alright. That's gonna conclude today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I love and appreciate you so much. Stay tuned for what's to come in the future on this build, but until then, stay safe. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.